Okay, so here class, no, ang ato ang kuan class, no, our object is gahigda sa, no, shaded. Okay, so ato siyang i-rotate, no, vertically, no. And then if we use line, maglisod ta, no, L, maglisod ta connect sa lines, no. Mag-determine na to, no, we'll try. Okay ra din, no. Pwede na to siya magamit ng line, no. To make L, click and then upward, no. That's z-axis, no? EL, select the object and then click yun na to siya class kana. Then click and then click that one. And click diha, enter, no lang, no? Enter. Okay, so that's vertical, no? Pwede na siya, no? Paagi, no? But nasa isa ka paagi, no? Another method, no? Because apply Control C. For example, if we make masipyat niya tag click class, no? Maglisod tag connect sa lines man, no? Because yan kay lines, no? In that case, no, maglisod ta. Another method is, of course, you have to position the object properly. Ito siyang ma-timan na, no? Okay, so position properly and then we'll use this view cube, no? Make sure that is top, right here and front, no? Make sure. In case delete top dia class, you can type UCS, enter, then type top, no? Enter. So it will go back to this one, yung original yun or default, no? Again, dapat niyan yung font. So click right class, no? Right. Click that one or we can click here, no? Right. Same ra na. Click that one. Escape, ha? Click that one. Okay. So here. So we'll try to rotate class, no? RO. RO, enter. Select the object, enter. Click on that point. Maglisod ka, no? Dili siya mo rotate. Escape. So what we will do is use S. Enter. Then, that is right class, no? So, type ka right. Dapat mo match, no? Here. Right, enter. Okay. We'll try, no? If you notice, no? Here. RO, enter. RO, enter. Select the object, enter. Click here or click on the object, no? Then, we can kuha na, no? Rotate na. Okay. Make sure that is on. Click. Then we will check the isometric, no? Southeast and no? Okay, so it's kuha na siya, no? Oriented properly, no? Shaded. So if you notice class, no? Ang the Z is gahigda na siya, no? And here you see the kuha na kana siyang does not match na, no? Top here, left here, front. Supposed to be this is top, no? So UCS, enter, then top, enter. So you will notice that is top na, no? Kana. Okay?